Crocodiles are some of the oldest creatures on Earth. Their modern species appeared about 83 million years ago, and their ancestors appeared 250 million years ago. Crocodile is one of the oldest reptiles on the planet, a descendant of representatives of the Archosaurs subclass. This class includes dinosaurs and birds. Crocodiles are direct descendants of extinct dinosaurs. Therefore, although crocodiles belong to the class of reptiles, their closest relatives are not turtles, lizards, or snakes, but birds. Crocodiles used to live exclusively in water 3,000 years ago, and they were as big as 13 meters. These animals live in all parts of the planet where the climate is humid and warm in the tropics. These are Africa, North and South America, Australia, Guatemala, Bali, and even Japan. The modern classification divides crocodiles into 3 families, 8 genera and 24 species. Of the 23 currently extant crocodile species, only 3 inhabit Africa. Crocodiles spend most of the day in water. They prefer fresh water bodies. However, the excellent salt exchange allows these reptiles to live even in very salty sea water. Crocodiles are often confused with alligators. Nevertheless, they are different animals, though similar. Crocodiles, unlike alligators, can live not only in fresh water, but also in salt water. The family of true crocodiles includes the Nile crocodile, the crested crocodile, the Siamese crocodile, the sharp-eared crocodile, and the blunt-eared crocodile. There is also the Australian bottlenose crocodile. Predators come out on land in the morning or in the afternoon when there is an opportunity to take a sunbath. In one sitting, the crocodile easily eats prey equal to 1/5 of its own body weight. Although alligators are smaller, true crocodiles are more nimble. Many crocodile species are cannibals. They often eat their smaller brethren, and when they encounter a clutch of eggs, even if the babies have begun to hatch, they are sure to eat them all. Any kind of crocodile clenches its jaws with tremendous force, but the muscles themselves, which are responsible for opening its mouth, are very weak. Therefore, even a human can easily open the mouth of the animal. And the strongest bite of the crested species, it can only be compared to the compression of the jaws of a sperm whale or orca. In the wild, crocodiles are extremely dangerous. For example, in the sparsely populated areas of Australia, where they are found, you can often see signs warning of the presence of these reptiles in the vicinity. This precaution is very appropriate. Crocodiles usually won't mind snacking on a stray tourist. Sometimes crocodiles are able to climb trees. The sex of crocodile cubs is influenced by the temperature of the clutch. If the eggs were at an average temperature of about 32 degrees, predominantly males hatch. If the temperature was higher or lower, it is the females. 99% of crocodile offspring die when eaten by fish, piranhas, herons, and adult crocodiles. During the first weeks of life, crocodiles feed on the contents of the egg from which they emerge. Crocodile eggs are also a delicacy for piranhas, hyenas, storks, and even humans. The female usually lays 20 to 80 eggs in nests built of plant materials and protects them for 3 months. A captive crocodile reaches a length of 1.5 meters in a year, while its wild counterpart takes almost 3 years to do so, since it has no such constant source of food. Crocodile can swim at speeds up to 40 km/h with his tail, and stay underwater for up to 2 to 3 hours. On land, the crocodile can also make short throws, but gets tired very quickly. These animals can even jump out of the water, flying several meters. Female alligators lay about 40 eggs, from which crocodiles emerge after 60 to 70 days. These reptiles can jump from water to a height of 2 meters. Even a very old and already toothless crocodile is still deadly. Its jaws slam with the force of several tons, grinding the body and bones of the victim. The crocodile's jaw contains 24 sharp teeth capable of holding and biting its prey, but not chewing. Therefore, they often swallow small stones to help them grind up the contents of their stomach. These stones also work as ballast to help the crocodile sink into the water. The teeth are constantly renewed throughout the animal's life. The clenching force of the crocodile's jaws is enormous, but the muscles that open the jaws are so weak that the effort of one hand is enough to keep them from opening. The crocodile is able to control the clenching force of its jaws very precisely, and can both bite the femur bones of large animals and carry its young from the nest to the water. The crocodile's tail is not a gift either. Its blows are very strong.